I'd like to show you two new features that have been added to the custom codes page. These are pause tracking and reset statistics. For this demonstration, I'm using one of my test accounts. From the dashboard, select Custom Codes. As you can see, the dashboard currently shows 7 QR codes. This code has 4 recorded visits. If I scan the code, it redirects to Xcan It as expected. After refreshing the dashboard, the total scan count increases from 4 to 5. Everything is working as it should. Now let's look at the new pause tracking feature. Click Pause, then confirm the action when prompted. Tracking for the code is now paused. If I scan the code again, it still redirects correctly. However, after refreshing the dashboard, you'll notice that the statistics have not changed. The overall scan total remains the same. This means the code continues to work normally, but scans are no longer recorded while tracking is paused. To continue tracking, click the Resume button, then confirm the action. If I scan the code again, the redirect still works as expected. The second new feature is Reset Statistics. This does not delete the code. It simply clears the recorded analytics for it. Click Reset Statistics, then confirm the action. After refreshing the page, you'll see that its visit count has been reset to 0. This is useful if you've been testing the code, or if you want to start measuring a new campaign without creating a new one. Those are the new pause tracking and reset statistics features.